Guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this hopefully, I guess you can try making under 10 or 15 minute no makeup look that you can wear if you're having some kind of sick or lazy day kind of look, or better yet, back to school, because I literally wear this kind of makeup, this eye makeup look almost like all the time, most of the time, but based on these eyeshadows I picked out. And I wanted to do this because I talked about it before a little when I heard about the whole crazy people getting summer sickness now that everything's reopening, and I've seen it have being talked about on the news and also on TikTok. So I wanted to do I'm contemplating I'm sick or something, even though I'm not really. I just wanted to throw it in I'm just wearing a PJ top and some black shorts I already had on, and also this comfy, cute pink dog robe. Anyways, let's get into the makeup. I already applied some face primer, and now we're moving on to some foundation and concealer. I had this LA Colors color correcting concealer I had for a while. I just never opened it and decided to try it out. It's obviously in the green shade to cancel out any redness. I'm applying it in areas where I can see some redness because of my acne, and I'm blending it in with a foundation brush. I was just gonna go in with some concealers and that's it, and no foundation, but I did kind of look straight a little bit. But anyways, I'm going in with one of my favorite CC creams from e.l.f. It's the Camo CC cream in the shade Fair 120N, and I'm just applying it around my face, just buffing it out with a foundation brush. Even though I already used a color correcting concealer and a full coverage CC cream, I want a little bit more coverage. I decided to go in with this Wet n Wild concealer and just apply it under my eyes and a little bit around some areas where I can still see some of the acne scars I picked at years ago. Next, I'm going with this cream blush sticks from LA Colors, and I think it's in the shade Glowing. I'm just applying it to my cheeks, just dabbing it in with my fingers. And I'm blending it in with a brush. I also used this LA Colors glow sticks in the pink shade. And I used the golden one in my waterproof makeup tutorial, and I just tried to apply it to the back of my hand. And just picked up some of it on the other side of the foundation brush to apply it to my nose, cheeks, chin, and forehead, and also on my cupid's bow. It did work out a little bit, but I decided to use the other side of the foundation brush to make the application a little bit better. Now I'm setting the makeup with some powder foundation from Bare Minerals. Here are the single eyeshadows I use in my everyday makeup look sometimes. And the first shade I'm showing is this Wet n Wild single eyeshadow in Brulee, and it's a nude skin tone shade, and it blended in with my skin tone. And I'm just applying this eyeshadow all over my lids. Now I'm taking this light brown eyeshadow from Bare Minerals. It's a loose eyeshadow. I'm just taking a blending brush and just applying it to my crease. Lastly, I'm taking that white eyeshadow from Wet n Wild in shade Sugar and just applying it to my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes for some highlights. Now I also took that same Bare Minerals eyeshadow that I used for the crease and applied it to my bottom lash line as well. Now I'm just filling my eyebrows like so by using this brow pencil from LA Colors. Now go in with your favorite mascara. I'm using this one from Lorac, the Royal Treatment Primer Mascara Duo. I'm using the primer side to prime my lashes, and then I'm going to use the other side later to coat my lashes with some mascara. For the lips, I decided to go with a lip balm, and this one acts like a tinted lip balm stain. And this is from Revlon in the shade Fresh Strawberry, and this smells so good. It smells like strawberries. There's my complete no makeup look that you can wear if you're having a sick or lazy day or back to school look. So I hope you guys like this soft no makeup look. That's perfect for a sick or a lazy day, or better yet, back to school if you want to wear this for back to school and all. And I thought before I end this video, I would like to share some of my favorite movies I could probably that I probably would have watched if I was having that kind of sick or lazy day. And I only mentioned this like a couple times that I'm like a Christian and all, specifically Catholic and all. And these are some of my favorite Christian based movies. Some of them I do have, and some of them I don't. And I'll mention some other movies that are outside of the Christian category that I love. And one of them being Overcomer and I Still Believe, which is a really good movie. If you have not seen this movie, KJ Apa, I hope I said his name right, who played, I think, Archie on the show Riverdale, is in it. And it's on Tubi TV. It's like the one I watched as a kid all the time, Jesus of Nazareth. And if you haven't seen this movie, the director is Franco Zeffirelli, who also directed the 1968 version of Romeo and Juliet, along with Endless Love starring Brooke Shields. Another Christian based movie that I love is called Breakthrough, and I was so sad I did not get a chance to see it in movie theaters, because where it took place and all, it's based on a true story, and it happened here in my home state of Missouri, and I was so sad I did not get a chance to see this in movie theaters, because I would have loved to see it on the big screen. But anyways, I saw it on at home on my sister's birthday a couple years ago, and it turned out amazing. And now on a couple of movies I probably would watch right now if I was having a sick or lazy day, and they're kind of girly girl ish, if you're the girly girl type of person. I just had it on my phone. Little Women, the 2019 version, and also my all-time favorite romance movie called Letters to Juliet. If you haven't seen this movie, Amanda Seyfried, isn't it? Who also you may know as Sophie from Mamma Mia, and she also plays Sophie in Letters to Juliet too. So you love girly girl romance movies, definitely check out Letters to Juliet. It's a really good movie. So I hope you guys liked, I guess what I came up with movie recommendations. I know I only mentioned mostly Christian based movies, but there's a couple of girly girl movies I mentioned if you like romance and blah blah blah. But if you have a great movie recommendation that you should recommend it to me, whether it's girly girl or something like that, or maybe a different Christian based movie. If I have any Christians out there that are watching this. But anyways, until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!